So we're gonna take a core sample.
So this is all stormwater?
Yes, coming from the residential side of the city. So
Wow.
that's all your muck, and the sand is way down here at the very base.
Why specifically is this so bad for the environment?
So the muck actually re-releases all the nutrients.
Oh.
So this is definitely not good, not what we want to see. Oh, yeah.
That was just right on the surface there.
So that is what we're combating. Our project site treats this water, gets rid of a lot of this muck, and we're gonna see downstream just how different it is. Obviously, this is tremendously different.
You've got to be kidding me. Look at the difference of that, Jennifer.